they get new forms? I knew it! I knew it the whole time!
Brian was right.
These two do have new forms.
I know what you want to ask. Which guys have new forms? I'm talking about...
DIALGA and PALKIA!
That's right, folks. Straight from Pokemon Legends Arceus, we're gonna draw DIALGA and PALKIA's origin forms. About a few years ago, I've been told that DIALGA and PALKIA are gonna get new forms in 2 years. And it turns out, he was right. They are gonna get new forms. I've always wanted to see what they looked like, and now I'm finally gonna get to see it. I always thought they get primal forms like, Groudon and Kyogre. But since they've got new forms,
I'm gonna let that slide! DIALGA, PALKIA, let's roll!
let's get drawing, shall we? So first off, we're gonna start with Palkia's origin form. Since I consider this one and DIALGA to be one of my new legendary top 10 favorites. Looks like we're not the only ones who can transform. Now, unlike the other shields, his are like pearl-shaped, only without the coating. This is what DIALGA and Palkia used to look like before it happened. There we go. There we go. Hey, how come Palkia doesn't have any hands? Sorry I asked. Staring at me, it's like needles in my eyes. There's his foot. Now I'm going to draw the other one. Yeah?
When you're at school, do you keep a notebook there that stays there with the teacher?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, good.
Now we draw the hooves. And much like Arceus, he has his own special crest. Only it's more like a... Only it's more like a purple... Now we draw the 4 or 5 tails on his back. Here's his wings. And there he is. That's how you draw Palkia. Origin form. He looks awesome. Don't you guys think so? Of course, all credit for this episode goes out to the ones who created Pokemon Legends Arceus. I mean, I do have the cartridge right here. And, well, I'll be drawing more like this real soon. Please enjoy this episode. Please like or walk and subscribe to my channel. And let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later!